distributive property. What distributive property says? A multiplied with B plus C is equals to AB plus AC. That means A is multiplied with addition of B and C both. A multiplied with B plus as it is and A multiplied with C. Let's understand by taking some examples. Example like 5 multiplied 2 plus 1 is equals to AB. A is 5. A is 5. So AB is A is 5 multiply B plus as it is A is equals to 5 and C multiply C is 1, B is 2 is equals to 5 to the 10 plus 5 is the 5 is equals to 10 plus 5 15. Left side 2 plus 1 3 and 5 as it is. 5 multiply with 3, 5 is a 15. It is proved. Next topic is role of 0. Role of 0 in addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Let's check in addition. If any number A add into 0, then answer will be A is equals to 0 plus A. If any number add into 0, then answer will no change. And if you add in 0 any number, then answer will be A. Let's check by some example. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Here 5 is equals to A 0 and A 5. If we 0 0 5, if you add 5 in 0 is equals to also 5. If you add 0 in 5, then answer also 5. If you add 0 plus 5 is equals to 5. It is in addition, for addition. Second, for multiplication. For multiplication, A multiply 0, then answer will be 0. If 0 multiply with A, then answer also will be 0. By example, 5 multiply 0, then answer will be 0. 0 multiply with 5, then answer also will be 0. Then A multiply 0 is equals to 0. Multiplication, addition, this is for addition. In multiplication, and now in subtraction. A minus 0 is equals to a is equals to 0 minus a is equals to minus a. Check it. A minus 0 is equals to a, and 0 minus a is equals to minus a, isn't it? That means 5 minus 0 is equals to 5, and 0 minus 5 is equals to minus 5. For division, a divided 0 is equals to infinite. Infinite means a divided 0 is not defined. Zero divide a is equals to 0. A divided 0 is equals to infinite, means not defined, and 0 divided a is equals to 0. That means 0 upon a is equals to 0, and a upon 0 is equals to infinite. Let's talk about another example. 5 divided 0 is equals to infinite, not defined, is equals to not defined. If 0 upon 5 is equals to 0, 7 upon 5 is equals to 0, 5000 upon 5 upon 0 is equals to 0 upon 5 is equals to 0, 0 upon 5000 is equals to also 0. That means if 0 is in any numerator, then answer will be 0. If 0 is in denominator, then answer will be not defined. We can write it in the statement: if 0 is denominator, then answer will be not defined. That means infinity. If converse, if 0 is in numerator, then answer will be 0. It is clear. You know about addition and subtraction. And subtraction. Understand it very carefully, because most of student is doing mistakes in this particular topic. Plus 5 plus 3 is equals to plus 8. Plus minus 5 minus 3 is equals to minus 8. Plus 5 minus 3 plus 5 minus 3 when it is sign is different, then what will we do? Then we do note down there with by ignoring signs, by ignoring sign, subtract smaller value from greater value. That means by ignoring signs, this is first step, ignoring sign, subtract smaller value from greater value. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. And second step is put sign of greater value. That means in greater value is 5 and its sign is plus, then answer will be in plus. So plus not necessary to write down. In another case, same as it is, 5 minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3. Then also we follow these two steps by ignoring signs. Subtract smaller value from greater value. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. Then second, put sign of greater value. Sign of greater value is 5 and minus, then answer will be in minus sign. Is clear. And now it is for multiplication. Write it in your notebook by pausing this video. Now for multiplication, we have to follow two steps for multiplication. First, multiplying multiplication of numbers, and second, multiplication of signs. So let's apply it with taking some multiplication. Three multiply 5 is equals to, sign of 3 is plus and sign of 5 is also plus. Then first, multiplication of numbers. 3 5s are 15. Second, multiplication of signs. Plus multiply plus. Plus multiply plus is, answer will be in plus. That means plus multiply plus is equals to plus. Second, minus 3 multiply with minus 5, then answer will be, first step is multiplication of numbers. 5 3s are 15 and second multiplication of signs, minus multiply minus, minus multiply minus is equals to plus. Then it is minus multiply minus, answer will be in plus sign. Third, minus 3 multiply 5. Step number 1, multiplication of numbers. 3 5s are 15. Second, multiplication of sign, minus multiply plus, minus, answer will be in minus. Minus multiply plus is equals to minus. 4 number, 3 multiply minus 5 is equals to, first step multiplication of number, 3 5s are 15 and plus multiply minus, plus minus, answer will be in minus. So plus multiplication with minus is equals to minus. These 4 rules are very important during the multiplication, so you have to very well understand in details. So next is number line. You know about number line. Let's recall about number line. This is number line. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and so on. That means in right hand side values is increasing, right hand side, and left side, if you goes to left side then values is decreasing. That means if we can take 6, then we go towards the left, then values will be down. And if we take any number of them, let's 2 minus 2. If we go towards the towards right side, then values will be increasing. That means right side increasing and left side decreasing. It is clear?